Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, answering two questions that you have left me. Someone asks, what if a dirty MAF sensor can cause it to go out? The engine fault light. Perfectly, yes, I will leave you a link, where we got the engine fault warning, we cleaned the MAF sensor and that fault was removed, and another person asks, let's see if it can be used to clean the MAF sensor, or flow meter, alcohol. Let's see, you can use alcohol perfectly. But do not use ethyl alcohol, this alcohol cleans, but the problem is that it leaves residue. You have to use an alcohol that does not leave residue, in this case, it would be isopropyl alcohol. Also known as isopropanol, look for this on the internet and you will find it. And always come in a spray container, because when you apply it on the sensor, you cannot touch the filaments, and you need a container that expels the alcohol under pressure. You clean the connector. And you also clean, it is very important, to clean the filaments, both those that are visible to the naked eye and those that are more hidden, a piece of advice, so that so much dirt does not accumulate. Which could be dust, it could also be oil, every time you change the air filter. Dismantle the MAF sensor and clean it, because I already told you, that sometimes, as in that video of which I have left you the link, the dirt gives incorrect values, and until the ECU detects it, it may have listened to those values that were given to it, which were incorrect values. And in the end, what happened, is that the engine has lost power, and has consumed more fuel than it should, which is why cleaning the MAF sensor is so important. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.